How to use guided access on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the accessibility option you see there. Further, scroll down again and under the General tab, you will see the option for guided access. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for guided access. Guided access keeps the phone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. You can simply triple click on the side button in the app that you want to use. Additionally, you can tap on the passcode settings option you see there and set guided access passcode if you want. You can also tap on time limits and set your time limits for guided access, and you can also enable or disable the accessibility shortcut, and you can also enable display auto lock for guided access. So this was about how you can use guided access on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.